Hey everyone, Happy Dude here, and my radio from my Volkswagen Jetta from 2009 stopped working. If we turn on the ignition, nothing happens, and when I press the power button, also nothing happens. So let's try and fix that. We're gonna take it out, and I hope it's the fuse on the back of the radio. I already checked the fuses inside here and they were all okay, so it's not that. So first you're gonna need to pop out this panel here. So put your tool, I prefer plastic but I don't have anything this thin. Put it not here, that's for later, but put it first between this edge right here. Okay, and then we slide this out like so, and then just remove this torque right here, and then unclip this cable, and then you can pull out this piece of plastic, and then we have another two T20 Torxes. And then we can remove this big piece of plastic. So take your plastic tool and push these clips here out. When it's loose here, start pushing it loose on the bottom here. And then lift it up. All right. Do not pull out the airbag sensor right here, because you will have errors on your dashboard. And then we take out these T20 Torxes. And now it's time to take out this plastic piece right here, because there are torque screws behind it. All these plastics are really fragile, so you are almost certainly going to break some clipses. It is inevitable.
Inevitable.
And now we can slide it out. Once you got the radio out, just pull up this white plastic here and here. Just pull it up, and then you can pull out the cables. And for this one, you lift up this plastic lever. First you push it down in that direction, and then you can lift it up, and then it slides out. Now that you have your radio in your hands, you can pull out the fuse. Let's check it. Oh no, it looks okay. Darn it. I don't know if we can actually open up this radio, so first let's try blowing it out with some dry compressed air. I replaced the fuse anyway. Unfortunately, the radio still doesn't turn on. Okay, so the next step, take the fuse out and all the connectors and just scrub the pins with something metal to take some corrosion off, and do that for all the pins. Then take some electro spray and spray it on the contact pins. Then take the main connector and also the fuse and put them both in and out a few times to clean up any corrosion that may be on the pins. When you're done, spray some on the main connector and connect everything back into place. Okay, the moment of truth. Please work, please work, please work. Booyah! It works. Oh no, the pin code. I'm gonna try this code right here. I hope it works. If not, you have to use your serial number of the radio and your chassis number and then go to the dealer. I hope it works. 6, 3, 4. Oh. Well, the radio works, that's something. Let's put it back together. First, I feel by hand how much torque is needed to secure the screws, and then I just set my drill to match that. Okay guys, the radio is back in. Now, I asked Volkswagen if they could help me with the code for my radio, and they told me that they have to do a readout of the car while they connect to the internet and then ask Volkswagen for a code, and it will cost them money, so it will cost me a lot of money to get my code. I think with the work and the the code itself, something between 50 and 100 euros. I'm not gonna pay that. I can buy a new radio for that. So I searched the internet for a code and I found one. So let's see if that works. Keep your fingers crossed and let's hope together that it works. The code cost me 12 euros. I'm very curious and nervous. It works for only 12 euros. I will leave a link in the description below to get a code if you lost your code. and it's the cheapest one that I found, and as you can see, it works. Take that, Volkswagen. Personally, I think it's all bullshit that they have to pay money to get the code. I think they do it the same way I do and just charge more for it.